kids. So, we're back with the $80 cheap satellite. Hooray. Yeah, you saw this little guy, featured across most of Everyone Express Pass, or at least half. Yeah. So, it's been a little while since we've done a little casual installation on something like this. The last one was in November of last year. And it has been almost 1 year since I've gotten this little thing. So, let's do another installation on this thing with Ubuntu 10.04 Lucid Lynx. I guarantee you this is not going to get as many views as the other $80 for satellite videos because, you know, Linux. Most of my viewers are not interested in Linux, but you know what? It's fine. I like Linux. So, yeah. So let's get started now, shall we? Let's begin our first Linux installation on this thing. It went to network boot. CD, DVD. Welcome. We just install it. Where are you? Well, not in the US. If I was, I'd be very miserable. Fine. Right there, I guess. It isn't 1:11 p.m., but, it's fine. USA. Alright, this computer has no operating systems on it. That's fine. Who are you? You don't know me? I'm TOBF. Yeah, that's fine. Super secure password. Name this computer. It's gonna be Tosh. And, log in automatically, sure. Forward. Ready to install? And install. Cue the epic time-lapse music. Installation is complete. Restart now. And hey look, it ejected it by itself. Let's just move that over there. Glorious, just glorious. And there we go. We have ourselves a desktop. Look at all these panels, ooh. So yeah. We're not going to do a whole lot of exploring because we don't really do exploring in these kind of videos, but yeah. Anyways, yeah, this is Ubuntu 10.04 running on the $80 cheap satellite. So, with that, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!